Your Lordship, the petitioner is pursuing his last semester of MS or
As you said yesterday that
Yeah.
the fees were not paid.
yes.
in time.
Now it is everything is paid. Paid 12 is the order,
Yes.
whereby my lord, the resolution is passed to suspend the petitioner for 2 terms. The examination is
Now
starting.
we'll
from-
have to see why they have taken such a drastic step,
Kindly see
right?
page 12. Yes, the facts are like this, guys. That the petitioner and the father of the petitioner and the mother of the petitioners are doctors. Mother passed away in 22 due to the cancer. Now the 50 lakhs, approximately 50 lakhs are given to one Mr. Ramesh Bhai Nanu Bhai Maiya. And that
Who is somebody reconnected with the college? No.
no.
No. Somebody else. Your
Somebody
private
else.
transaction.
Somebody
Yes.
else. Now
College has nothing to
No,
do with
no,
that transaction.
no.
Okay.
Now when the fees were due for the 5th semester and 6th semester, we have requested him to give it back that amount to me.
Hmm.
That is the father of the petitioner. He assured that instead of paying it to you, I'll directly pay the fees through check to the college. Accordingly, he issued 2 checks dated 17/2/23 and 19/2/23. Even the print of the debit amount was also handed over to the petitioner. So the petitioner went before the college authority and requested that issue me the receipt. So that issue me the receipt. I was never aware that the checks were not correct or genuine. However, when I came to know through the notice by the college, if a lordship may kindly page 13, that is dated 17/4/23, along with the bank letter dated 6/4/23 at page 14. Kindly turn to page 13, your lordships. આપને જણાવવાનું કે ડાયરેક્ટર શ્રી સોએન્સો એજ્યુકેશન ટ્રસ્ટની તારીખ 18/4/23 ના આવેલ રિમાર્ક્સ મુજબ આપશ્રી દ્વારા 13/2/23 ના રોજ 5th સેમેસ્ટરની ટ્યુશન ફી રૂપિયા સોએન્સો અને 28/2/23 ના રોજ 6th સેમેસ્ટરની ફી રૂપિયા સોએન્સો આપના બેંક એકાઉન્ટમાંથી કપાયેલ હોય તેના સ્ટેટમેન્ટની આપવામાં આવેલ નકલ ખોટી છે. જે અંગે એક્સિસ બેંક દ્વારા પણ સદર સ્ટેટમેન્ટ અને આપની રજૂઆત મિસમેચ થાય છે તેવી સ્પષ્ટતા કરવામાં આવેલ છે, જેની નકલ આ સાથે સામેલ છે, જે બાબતે દિન 3 માં ખુલાસો કરજો. Now page 14 may kindly be seen. This is the bank's correspondence with the college authority. Last paragraph of page 14. This certificate has been issued at the request of the above named account holder company firm. The certificate is being issued without any risk and responsibility on the part of the bank. From top. We are confirming that the statement is not matching with our system, and also we are unable to find the said both entries as per the letter received number 3/4/23. So for the first time by letter at page 13, dated 17/4/23, the petitioner and the father came to know that the amount is not credited in the account of the college. Therefore, immediately, if your lordship may kindly, my lord, see page 15, we went before the Sri Ramesh Bhai Maiya.
So you gave the college one statement.
I have not given. It is directly given by Ramesh Bhai. The check was issued by
Ramesh Bhai, forget. It is your responsibility to pay the fees.
No. Yes,
Who has given this statement?
the check.
The false
Yes,
statement. who
Ramesh Bhai. Ramesh Bhai Maiya has issued the check of his bank. The father of the petitioner gave 50 lakhs rupees to Ramesh Bhai Maiya. Therefore, instead of paying it back in cash, he assured that I will directly pay the fees.
આપના બેંક અકાઉન્ટ
That is-
માંથી કપાયેલ છે
That is-
એવું
that is- that is-
statement
that
who
is
has
wrong.
given to
That
the
is
college.
wrong. That is wrong.
Who has given it to the college? Ramesh Bhai came and gave the college.
Ramesh Bhai has directly paid the fees through check.
No.
That check is in
You
the
are
name.
not understanding
I'm
my
sorry.
question.
Through me.
See, you are a student of
Yes,
college.
yes.
Correct? You have to pay the fees.
Correct.
Now you have to go to the college.
Yes.
And you have given one statement.
But not in a minute. It seems that I not made myself clear. 2 checks were issued by Ramesh Bhai Maiya in favor of the college. From his account, with his signature of his bank.
Okay.
That check is given to the college which is not credited. I was never
Now,
aware.
who gave that check to the college?
I gave.
You gave.
I gave.
Okay.
But I was not aware that it is not credited. On the contrary, the Ramesh Bhai, who has issued the check, and I have handed over to the bank, has given the even statement of his Malad bank, wherein the checks were debited. So I was under bona fide impression that the checks are encased. However, when I went to ask for the receipt, I came to know at page 13 by the college that this amount is not credited. Therefore, immediately I again went to Ramesh Bhai. Page 15 is his letter to me that through oversight, this is not being done, and he has already paid once again on 18/5 before this letter is written. Immediately after 17/4 on 18/4, both another check, the amount is already 33 lakhs is already paid to the college. College has received it. Page 15 may kindly be seen. It is his letter. તમે નરેન્દ્ર મેડિકલ કોલેજમાં થર્ડ યર MS ઓર્થોપેડિક વિભાગમાં કામ અભ્યાસ કરતા હોય અને તમારે 5th અને 6th સેમેસ્ટરની ટ્યુશન ફી માટે મને વાત કરેલી હતી, જેથી તમે મારા વાલીના મિત્ર છતાં તેથી મારા વાલીએ મને ટ્યુશન ફી ભરવા માટેની વાત કરેલી, જેથી અમોએ અમારા એકાઉન્ટમાંથી તમારા 5th અને 6th સેમેસ્ટરની ટ્યુશન ફી રૂપિયા 16,50,000 તથા 16,50,000 અંકે પૂરા 100 જમા કરાવેલ હતા. તેનું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ અમોએ મોબાઈલ એપમાંથી ડાઉનલોડ કરીને આપને આપેલ હતું. So, being a bona fide person, the statement was also given, the check was also given from his account. Therefore, we were not aware. On the contrary, at the time of asking for the receipt, I came to know, and by the time I came to know on 17/4, I immediately contacted Ramesh Bhai, and Ramesh Bhai wrote this letter on 19/4, and he has already paid the amount on 18/4 before a day. That on 18/4, though the fees is received by the college authority, the order is passed. Before that, on the contrary, I had requested, kindly see page 16. On the same day, on 19/4 itself, along with this letter, I had requested the college, page 16, your lordship, the type copy, your lordship would find it at page 16A. I so and so apologize for the mismatch in the fee statement. On receiving your letter about the mismatch, the fees of 5th and 6th semester amounting rupees so and so of each semester paid immediately on 18/4/23. The mismatch is in statement is informed to local Axis branch in order to find out the reason for the same. I am thankful for the cooperation provided by your office. Now, thereafter, kindly turn to page 17. On 16/5, I was called by the clerk that you are requested to meet dean. Therefore, I personally met the dean, and on kindly see my avowment scene of the petition, page number 5, paragraph number 5. Am I wrong?
Yes.
The petitioner respectfully submits that because of the fault of Ramesh Bhai and the bona fide impression that he had paid the fees, the aforesaid situation has arisen. It is respectfully submitted that the petitioner was orally called through clerk Shri K.C. Patel by the dean on 16/5/23 at 2:30 p.m. The petitioner was not aware about the reasons, nor any written letter was issued to him. The petitioner remained present, and it was pointed out that for providing the aforesaid fact, the genuineness, he has to submit the copy of FIR against Shri Ramesh Bhai Maya. Immediately, the father of the petitioner filed a complaint in writing to the PSI Una police station on 17/5/23. That your lordship would find it at page 17. Thereafter, kindly see, I went to submit that copy of FIR to the clerk. I'll read again at page 5. In continuation, a complaint dated 17/5 is annexed. The copy of the complaint was submitted to the clerk on 17/5/23 itself. The petitioner tried to personally meet the dean but could not contacted, and the clerk informed that he had to lodge a complaint before the Maninagar police station also. So immediately on the same day, petitioner filed the lodge a complaint at page number 19. Page number 19 before the Maninagar police station against this Ramesh Bhai. The police authority said that we will inquire and thereafter only it would be registered. However, I have immediately pointed out to the college authority with this FIR also. But in the meantime, on 26th, on 25th, your lordship ने kindly mercy paid 20. I requested the college authority that on personal talk on 16/5, some questions were asked for. I am giving the reply to that. That is at page 20. But no inquiry is ever being conducted. No.
Twice you were called. No?
I know. I was called once. Only once.
तारीख 16/5/23 तथा 17/5/23 ना रोज कमिटी समक्ष रूबरू बोला
Yes,
दिया
but I went there. And I went there and but in writing, I was never given any notice or anything. They said that you come and I was suggested that you file the complaint. I immediately lodged the complaint on 17 and 18 because on 17 I was asked that you even lodge a complaint before the Maninagar police station. So on 18 I immediately went and lodged the complaint on 18. So on 17 and 18 two complaints were lodged, one by my father at Una and one by me at Maninagar police station. Now that fact I at page 20 I had requested on by letter dated 25/5/23. Page 20, your lordship.
Okay.
Yes. So in spite of this letter, the order dated 26/5/23 is passed at page 12. But for that, if the candidate is to be suspended, the inquiry is required to be held. Second thing, no opportunity of hearing, no writing charge sheet is given to me, and the examination is from first, your lordship. This order was served upon me on 26, 27 and 28 was the holidays. I immediately requested your lordship
We'll
to
keep it
serve.
tomorrow.
No, yes,
We'll be able to serve it.
very well. Or if it
Notice.
appeals to the honorable court, if it appeals to the honorable court, I may be permitted to appear in the examination subject to the outcome of the petition.
Let them come tomorrow.
Or may I only request like this wise, if they want to file reply, they may file it on or before tomorrow.
Let them come.
Yes, because it is a career of
Notice.
a student who has
Issue
paid
a
the
notice.
fees, and because of fees are paid. And it is to be inquired into by the college that whether it is my mistake or not. And for that inquiry is must. By passing this order, no inquiry is done. No opportunity of hearing. Even Ramesh Bhai, if the inquiry is held, that the Ramesh Bhai
Let's see what were the statements that were produced, and we will see tomorrow.
Direct service today may be given.
Direct service permitted today.
I know.